Hello lovely people, you all are welcome to Tutorials Point. Let us go ahead and scale up our vocabulary in 2020. Okay, now the first and the foremost word which you definitely must add to your vocabulary is nomophobia. Well, yes, that's right. Well, what is nomophobia? Well, nomophobia is sort of a fear of losing your phone, or the fear of not having your phone around, right? Because cell phones have become such an addiction nowadays that some people end up having this phobia of not having our cell phone around. So that entire fear or worry of being driven away from your cell phone is known as nomophobia. Okay, what is a bluebird day? So bluebird day is nothing but a day that is marked by cloudless blue skies. So basically a very beautiful day, a perfect day to go out for a vacation, for a picnic, for some fun. That is a perfect bluebird day. Okay, look at the sun. It's such a bluebird day. To zone out. Now, what does it mean to zone out? So, zone out means to lose your concentration. Now, definitely it might have happened to many of us many a times wherein we are doing some work but we end up losing our concentration sometime in between and we don't even realize it. That process is known as to zone out. You looked very zoned out today. So when someone asks you or someone tells you that you look very zoned out, they only mean that you look as if, you look very lost today. It is very visible that your concentration is somewhere shattered and you're not concentrating on whatever is going on. Okay, recuperate. What is recuperate? So recuperate means to recover. So you might have fallen, or any of your colleagues or any of your friends or anyone who has fallen ill and is in the process of recovery is known to recuperate from the illness. So next time, instead of using recover, you might want to use recuperate. Spineless. What is spineless? Spineless doesn't literally mean that the person doesn't have a spine at all. Obviously, none of us can survive without our spinal cord, but spineless means to lack courage. So I feel that he is extremely spineless to be suppressed by his colleagues in his team. So that is what is meant by spineless. So someone who completely lacks courage and does not have the grit to stand up and take a stand for himself or herself. Okay, foible. What is a foible? Well, foible is a weakness, right? So we all have foibles, we all have weaknesses, right? Human beings are full of weaknesses, hence human beings are full of foibles. So next time, whenever you're using this word weakness, you also might want to use foible instead of that. Proffer. What is proffer? Well, proffer means offer. So both the words sound very rhyming as well. The meaning is also similar. Okay, you might want to use proffer instead of offer whenever you are using this word in your language, and it's going to scale up your vocabulary by quite a bit. Ruse. What is a ruse? Well, ruse is a trick. So whenever you feel that someone is trying to play a trick with you, or someone is trying to trick you, you know that it's sort of a ruse, right? So ruse is another word for trick or a ploy. So I couldn't see through the trickster's ruse, leading me to call his bluff. Surfit. What is surfit? Well, surfeit means excess of something. So for example, you have gone out for some function or some gathering and you feel that the food which is being served there is way too much. You might want to call it surfeit, right? Okay, the surfeit of political parties in India has led to confuse the voters because there are so many political parties is what is meant by this sentence. So surfeit means over and excess of something. So next time whenever you have to use excess, you might want to use surfit instead. Well, all these words are sort of in addition to the existing vocabulary which is there in your mind. Keep adding new vocabulary to your mind every day and start using it in your language to scale up your entire English. Well, I will see you again in the next video. Till that time, keep learning with tutorials, point and tutorics. Have a good day.